In this updated tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you a NBA 2K26 VC glitch that you can use right now to get tons of free VC. You can get 450,000 VC, which costs around $80 if you was to purchase it. And I'm going to be showing you this VC glitch working for NBA 2K26 that takes just a few minutes of your time. This actually uses a working locker code, guys, and I'm going to show you how to get it. Before I show you it, make sure you drop a like on this video and go ahead and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always creating updated VC glitches. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone to get your 2K26 locker code and then redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So do this on your mobile phone internet browser, type it exactly how I've typed it here, and Cold Coupons is absolutely awesome. I actually discovered this website through another YouTube tutorial looking for a method on how to get free VC, and it actually worked, so I thought I'd share it with my subscribers. So when you reach this website, I would recommend using the search bar at the top to find the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. As you can see, there are 4 different codes, so go ahead and scroll down until you find this one. This is a get 450,000 VC code. So this is completely free, getting you that amount of VC. Now, I call this a VC glitch because this NBA 2K26 locker code is not supposed to supply you this much VC, but it does, and it is working after the recent patch as well because it is just a locker code. Now, you do need to reveal your code. This is because these are limited codes, and considering 450,000 VC is about $80, you do need to unlock your code. Now, to do that, you've got to follow the instructions on this screen here. Long story short, guys, I did this earlier and it did take me about 5 to 10 minutes, but it is well worth it considering how much VC you're getting. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below. Now, these sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can supply us these free VC codes. And you can see these tasks are all completely free. You just have to follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. I accidentally pressed 1, so let's show you that example. So this one, download and complete level 13. So basically, guys, you just got to follow the instructions, complete 2 of them, and if you do that, it will redirect you to Cold Coupons, and your 2K26 free VC locker code will be revealed here. So this will say successful, and the full code will be shown. You redeem it in the locker code page, and that is going to get you 450,000 free VC. So this is the best NBA 2K26 VC glitch working right now. Go to Cold Coupons, find this page, guys, and select the free VC code, and that is it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.